Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on Wednesday expressed strong opposition to the proposed delimitation exercise based on the pre-2026 census, stating that it could reduce the political voice of southern states. In a post on X, D.K. Shivakumar said that the Indian National Congress and its allies would not allow the centre to politically marginalize the south. He alleged that the move amounts to political re-engineering and warned that increasing Lok Sabha seats from 543 to 850 would systematically reduce the representation of southern states while rewarding regions without unchecked population growth. He described the proposal as punishing progress and good governance, adding that states which successfully controlled population growth should not face reduced representation. At the same time, he clarified that the Congress party fully supports women's reservation in legislature. He said the proposal for women's reservation was originally envisioned by Sonia Gandhi and that the party continues to support its implementation. However, he stressed that women's reservation should not be linked to delimitation or seat expansion and also urged the centre not to use women's empowerment as a justification for what he described as a deeply unfair political agenda. He further stated that rushing a major restructuring of India's democratic framework during elections without transparency is unacceptable. He emphasized that India's strength lies in balance and fairness, not domination, and called on the centre to ensure transparency and fairness in any proposed changes to parliamentary representation.